Hi there, Vashek here. Today, I will show you my entire stock portfolio. In this video, I will go over three topics. First one, I will show you what strategy do I follow when it comes down to finding and buying stocks. Second, I will show you what has changed since I made the last video in December 2020. And third one, I will share with you what are my future plans? What am I planning to do with my stocks? So there are two different ways how I purchase stocks. First one, I set up recurring investments. So on a daily basis, I spend $30 and I buy S&P 500 ETF, and then I buy two other technology ETFs. I would use this strategy of a daily or weekly investment only when purchasing ETFs or mutual funds. You might ask, what are ETFs or mutual funds? So imagine 100 companies put into the same basket, and then those companies sharing the same ticker. The only difference between ETF and mutual fund is that mutual funds are actively managed and ETFs aren't, which has its pros and cons. My other strategy is I wait for company that I believe in to drop on a price, and then I purchase more and I just keep holding it. So for example, let's talk about Tesla. Tesla's at 700 something right now. Let's say tomorrow Tesla drops to 500. I would buy definitely more shares and then just wait for it to go back up. Let's say Tesla doesn't drop to 500. It keeps climbing back up. It goes to 1,000 and then it drops to 700. It drops to 700. I will purchase more. Everybody believes in different companies, but once you find the companies that you believe in my personal opinion, I believe that the company will go back to its best where it was, as long as I'm holding on to that stock. So that's what I do with individual stocks. And sometimes I do it with ETFs and mutual funds as well, but these don't jump up and down as much as the individual stocks. So now the fun part. What has changed since I made the last video about my entire stock portfolio 9 months ago? So as you can see, I'm at $18,668 right now. Overall, I invested $14,100, and I'm up 32%, which is similar to what I was up in December, but you gotta keep in mind I've been investing since then, so the portfolio is doing really well so far, so I hope it keeps it up. So on the selling side, what have I sold since then? I sold some cruises. I just felt like they're not going to be doing as good as the airlines, which turned out not to be true, but I mean, you can't know. And then I sold some leveraged ETFs such as TECL. This one, I sold it for $50 a share. I could have been making way more money, but it was just too risky, and I already made really good money on that. So that's on selling side. On a buying side, what have I bought since then? So when you look at my portfolio, it's kind of put into four different categories. First one is the ETFs, which cuts down here right above the TECL. So that's the S&P 500 and technology ETFs. They're all doing great. When we look at the S&P 500, I'm up 15%. Those are the ETFs that I invest money in daily. Beneath that, I have companies that I believe in and that I like. Those are the companies that I will purchase if the price drops down. So I have a AT&T, that's a great dividend stock. $27. I'm losing $50 on that one, but that's the only stock I'm losing money on. After that, I got Coke. Coke is doing great, 28% up. Then I got Amazon, Google, Tesla. Tesla is the next one that I purchased, and I bought, I think, 3 more shares than I had before. So my average buy is $579 $9. Currently it's at $757, so I'm making 30%, which comes down to $700, which is great. Next stock I purchased was Airbnb. I bought almost 8 shares. I got 7.6 shares, and I bought it for $150 a share. So I'm making a little bit, 10% on it, but after COVID's over, I believe the Airbnb will just go through the roof. So that's why I purchased it. And the last one of the individual stocks is Realty Income. That's one of the few, maybe the only stock that pays dividends every month. So it's nice to see that notification that every month something comes in. You can see it over here. Yeah, so August, July, June, May. So I'm getting $1.30 every month, and I love it. Okay, down here from DLAKY, so from up here to all the way down here, all of these are airlines. So United, American, Delta, Southwest, and Hawaiian. I purchased these when the COVID started, and I'm planning on selling them once they reach where they were before COVID hit. So let's look at United. Was around $80-$90. So once it hits that, I will sell it. I was so lucky on this one. I purchased it around $20 a share, which is down here. That's like the absolute like bottom. So 130% up, which comes down to be $400. And the last things that I purchased were mutual funds. These mutual funds, ARK, so ARK K all the way down to ARK X, are mutual fund managed by Catherine Wood. She's a great person. She has a podcast that you guys can listen to, and all of these mutual funds are interested into technology, different types of technology. So this one is innovation technology ETFs. This one is next generation internet. This one is genomics revolution, which is combining human thinking and emotions with computers and tying it together, which is cool and insane. So once this starts working, these mutual funds will go through the roof. I purchased all of them for with $100. So I'm making a little bit, 6% here. RK, I'm making 3%. ARKX, which is exploration and innovation, so that's a space exploration, which I'm making $2 on that one only so far. But with SpaceX, Elon Musk, with Virgin Galactic, and Jeff Bezos trying to fly to space and do commercial space flights, once that starts being normal thing and available to more and more people, I think this mutual fund will go through the roof as well. So yeah, these are the stocks that I have right now. And the last topic, what are my future plans with my stock market portfolio? So as it is right now, I feel like the economy is up there, but that doesn't necessarily mean that the economy is gonna drop down right away. So I will keep my daily investments and just keep pumping it through, and I don't really care almost where the price is. I mean, even though if it's all the way up there, I will still keep putting it in. If it's all the way down, I will keep putting it in. So those daily investments will stay. I will do my a single purchases only if something really drops down. Now with crypto being up there, I'm more focused on that. But if you guys ever buy crypto, don't do it through Robinhood. I mean, you can buy crypto through your Robinhood, but you won't own the actual crypto. You will own the value of it, but not the actual one. So I would never do that. I mean, you want to have a crypto, so you are untouchable. You can own it and nobody else can take it away from you. So if you guys are interested in that, try to watch some of my other videos that focuses on crypto. Great website to buy crypto from would be Gemini.com. But I wouldn't use Robinhood for that. Robinhood for stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, it's great over there. I would probably stay away from options and leveraged stocks. I mean, it gets really a little trickier over there and a little riskier. If you are not in a stock market yet and you would like to jump in, beneath this video I will just share the link with you guys that you guys can use to sign up with Robinhood. If you do that, I will get a couple of stocks, you will get a couple of stocks, and it's a great way to start investing. I mean, even if you don't invest any money in, you can still receive these 3 stocks, which so many of my friends did, and they have now around 50-80 bucks in their accounts. So you can do that too. You just need to sign up, fill out all the information, link your bank account, but you don't have to deposit anything. Yeah, you guys let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions about stocks or Robinhood or crypto. You guys can let me know what other videos would like you to see, and I'll work on that. And that's it for today. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. See ya.